Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch Pro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. And you can see, or you can tell by this message at the top, Do Not Disturb mode on, and the icon got highlighted. It changed the background to the white color, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And of course, once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon again. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode off. The icon will go back to the gray color. It won't be highlighted anymore, which indicates that the mode is disabled, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. Another thing we can do for our Do Not Disturb mode is to make a schedule for it, so it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically. To do it, we need to open the settings. So on the home page, press the crown button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter. And here find the option called Do Not Disturb mode, or Do Not Disturb rather. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we can turn on the Do Not Disturb mode normal mode by tapping on the switch, tapping on the check mark. You can also turn it off, but you can also enable the schedule. And this will allow you to set the schedule, and the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically and turning off automatically. So enable the schedule, tap on the check mark, and then scroll down and we have from to. From is the time on which the mode should be turning on, and you can set it by swiping up and down right here on the hours and minutes. So I'm gonna set it to something like 10:30 p.m. Come on. Okay, then tap on the check mark to confirm. Next we have 2. This is the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning off. So tap on 2, and I'm gonna set it to something like 7:30. Okay, and tap on the check mark. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 7:30 a.m. And of course, once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.